Imagine being locked up and not even having the right to ask a judge if it's lawful. That's the power of habeas corpus, a centuries-old legal shield that guarantees anyone detained can challenge their imprisonment in court. And right now, it's trending across America as the White House considers suspending this fundamental right to speed up deportations. But what exactly is habeas corpus? Why is it under threat? And what would suspension mean for due process? Let's dive in. Habeas corpus, Latin for "you shall have the body," dates back to 17th century English common law. Its core purpose is simple but profound. If you're arrested or detained, you can petition a court to review the legality of your confinement. Without that writ, there's no judicial check on authority, meaning you could be held indefinitely without explanation. In the United States, habeas corpus was enshrined in Article 1, Section 9 of the Constitution, ensuring that the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended, unless when in cases of rebellion or invasion, the public safety may require it. So why is it trending today? On May 9, 2025, reports surfaced that senior White House advisors are exploring ways to temporarily suspend habeas corpus for migrants, arguing an invasion of undocumented border crossings. If enacted, immigration detainees could face deportation without any chance to challenge their detention in court. But history shows every prior suspension happened under dramatically different circumstances. The Civil War, Reconstruction era, violence, the 1905 Philippine insurrection, and post-Pearl Harbor martial law in Hawaii. Never has it been used to process immigrants. Suspending this right requires explicit congressional approval, and only in cases of rebellion or invasion. Most legal scholars agree a unilateral presidential move would be unconstitutional. If the writ is paused, citizens and non-citizens alike could be held without recourse, undermining the bedrock of American justice. For perspective, during World War II, thousands of U.S. citizens of Japanese descent were interned without habeas review, and decades later, the government formally apologized. That dark chapter shows the dangers of unchecked authority. So what happens next? Congress would have to pass a suspension act, an unlikely prospect given bipartisan concern over due process rights. But if momentum builds, we could face the most significant rollback of civil liberties in our lifetimes. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe for more AI-powered explainers every week. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think such a suspension could ever pass? And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a DeepInsight AI deep dive.